Friday after work. Look how pretty that looks. Yeah, people just walk right in front of you when you're doing a nice video. But the bean is shining tonight. Look at that. Ooh. What a difference a day makes, right? No snow. It looks totally different. Wow. Look at that. It's like it never snowed. Like if no blizzard came through here. Amazing. Now there's buses. The bean looked really nice, right? Let's get the sunset. Look at. So I think you spring forward in like what, 2 weeks? Yeah. Wow. I act like I never walked through here. And I don't live in Chicago. But it does look nice, right? Look at that. Alright. My bus is, I don't know where my bus is at. It might come. Alright, Daisy. Bye, you too. Okay, bye. Not my bus.